our IT people told us that we needed to start a podcast. And they said that it would help our SEOs and drive people to see our products, which is great. We'll be talking to people who actually use the outdoor mobile grills out in the field, and they'll be giving some tips and techniques and all kinds of useful information that will help you in your business and maybe in some of your cooking.
Peel the onion. And you have your knife.
Wait. Okay. I feel like I failed you as a father. This is the way you hold a knife if you're going to talk to your neighbor about their barking dog at 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? It's not the way you hold it in culinary. You want to take it and hold it loosely with these 2 fingers and then use these to put pressure on the bottom of it. You remember them old knife commercials and stuff that they would have, and they would have a knife and they'd say this knife, and then you're hacking at it, and then they'd come up and they go, oh, this knife is made out of samurai steel from Ethiopia. It's the same knife. It's just the technique that they use to do it. You know. So, another good thing about onions is when you want to always keep it close to your heat source, because the heat will draw the onion away from you and you won't get it off in your onions.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, onions are a powerful tool. Back in the 1800s, they used to take an onion and cut it in half and put it beside a sick person's bed, and it would draw out, all the bacteria in the room. You'd set it there, and you can do it and set it there, and it'll turn black in just a few hours because it's doing its job. That was the beginning of Obamacare, right there.
What? We will even be doing unveilings on site when we deliver to customers, and maybe even give you guys some of our favorite tips and techniques while we're using the outdoor mobile grills. All sounds pretty cool, right? Except my dad has no PC filters. So we'll go ahead and cue the lawyers while you go over to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications so you never miss an episode.
No YouTube, no problem. Just go over to our website, omgrills.com, and click on the T-Talk Texas tab.